everybody. My name's Richard Joyce. I'm the Learner Manager for Construction here at Telford College. I'm just going to go through some PowerPoint slides with you just to give you some information of how we do things here, what are your entry requirements, etc. And then show you a couple of pieces of work what some of our level 1 learners have done this year for us. Okay, so that is an overview of our college, if you don't know already. So we are based right at the back, if you see, by the playing fields, by the football pitch, by the row of trees. You see 2 buildings there. That's our construction centre, and we had an extension built 2 years ago, next month, purposely built just for our construction courses. So that's how much we are expanding within the area and within the college itself. Okay. So what are our key messages? Okay, so you will learn in our modern and well-equipped training facilities, which I've just explained to you. You will get equipped for your career and learn skills in bricklaying, electrical installation, plumbing, and basic construction skills. Okay, you will gain practical work skills as well as theory, which is linked to all the courses. And you will get the opportunity to take on simulated work experience, hopefully, because we are in COVID restrictions, but we have got some links coming on board with some local companies where we can do some placements on building sites, hopefully. Okay, so you will get prepared for all that, hopefully. You will, if you go down the electrician route, we have a course for that. Civil engineers, we do, where we have road workers, we do carpentry, roofing, and many other trade skills you will learn with us. So, as I've mentioned before, these are your courses, what you can do with us, and these are your routes, what are really good to do here at Telford College. So we've got 2 level 1 courses. We've got bricklaying, which is a new course for this year, which is going really well. It's been very popular. Level 1 basic construction courses, and then we got a level up from that is a level 2 construction maintenance operations course. Then we have a electrical installations route as well. Then we do apprenticeships here. This year we've got bricklaying and we've got construction maintenance level 2 on board this year. And also we have 3 cohorts at the moment of electrical level 3, year 1, 2 and 3 installations apprenticeships. So that's our courses, level 1 to level 2 to level 3. Okay, so what are going to be your entry requirements? Okay, so for level 1 bricklaying, you must be working at level 1 or above in maths and English. Level 1 basic construction, again, similar. You must be working towards level 1 functional skills or above, because that is more of a hands-on course aimed at students who haven't quite got the maths and English grades what they had hoped for. That's more of a practical course with some theory in that. You will see next on the slide where it's level 2 construction maintenance operations. Again, this must be at GCSE grade 3 and above, including maths and English. And for electrical installations, we must have 3 GCSE maths, must be a grade 4 or above, with English and science being a 3 or above. So those are our entry requirements, what you would need to gain to come on one of our courses here at Telford College. Okay, so here you see some pictures here. These was took last year. We have on the top left-hand side 2 students who have done a stretching challenge. So this here is an extension activity where they've built a brick archway. So that is quite advanced stuff. That's level 2 to level 3 work. But these 2 learners was really good. So we gave them this task to stretch their ability. On the top right-hand side, we have another learner who was doing some block work patterns. That is generally on level 1 and level 2. Bottom left as well, doing the same activity. And that's what one of our apprentices on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. He's a year 3 now, so he's been here 3 years. So he will be completing next June his level 3 electrical installations for us. So you can see from these pictures and the feel where you get the workshops in the backgrounds there for us. Okay, so Kizzy, she was on level 2 last year. She will progress onto level 3 next year. However, this year she wanted to do electrical. You can see in her hand there, she got some 3 screwdrivers and a tape measure from Till Gear, who we had in to donate tools for students who had 100% attendance. So there are rewards for your attendance if they are high. So that's really good. You know, hands tools are expensive to buy. Get some freebies for being here. 100% happy days. Okay, so she says my course is interesting and fun. The tutors are attentive and consistent. I've enjoyed the painting and decorating modules the most. I hope to go into site health and safety as a career. This course is teaching me the knowledge and skills I need to progress in the right direction. So she is going in the right direction, and this year she is also excelling at her electrical course. So well done, Kizzy. University courses for construction, you can go into construction management degrees and get qualified in construction management, site agents, quantity surveying, architecture. So this whole range of routes where you can go once you've studied here with us. Same with the electrical, you can do a electrical engineering degree, which is at a level 4, rising to a level 6. Okay, so what are your future careers within construction? So I've just mentioned some of these here. So site agents, site managers, quantity surveyors, architects, foremen, site manager, all these things, what you can move on to once you've completed your time with us. So that is a really good route to go down as well. Okay, so what I'm just going to show you some level 1 work behind me, which they've done. It's going to be quite hard to get it into the picture shot. So this board here, you will see, this is a plumbing activity. Okay, this is a level 1 plumbing activity, all done by hand. So you can see there's bends on there and there's joints what's been soldered. So all this has been done by a level 1 learner last week. So you can see this got a distinction, I believe. So it was really, really good piece of work. Okay, and then one more to show you. This is another task which we do on level 1. It's a bridle right angle, left angle joint with a saddle bridle here. So all this is done by hand, not by machines, all done by hand. So you will learn the skills required to carry out this task where you're using chisels, hammers, measuring, using maths to check if it's square, measurements in millimeters, centimeters. Okay, so this one got a merit, not a distinction, but it's still a very, very good piece of work for you there. Okay, so these are the sort of things what you would be doing with us here at Telford College.